Cracking the case. Nominative versus possessive in English. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on English grammar fundamentals. In today's video, we are delving into an important, but often misunderstood topic. Nominative versus possessive case. This is crucial in mastering English, as it affects how we use nouns and pronouns. Let's dive in. First things first, let's define our terms. The nominative case is used for subjects in a sentence. That's the doer of the action. For instance, in the sentence, Mary reads a book, Mary is in the nominative case. It's the subject, the one doing the reading. On the other hand, the possessive case shows ownership. It indicates that something belongs to someone. For example, in Mary's book is on the table, Mary's is in the possessive case. It's indicating that the book belongs to Mary. Now, onto the juicy part, common mistakes and confusions. Here's where most English learners stumble. Subsection 1. Pronoun confusions. Pronouns can be tricky, especially when dealing with cases. A common mistake occurs with pronouns like I and me, he and him, she and her. Remember, I, he, and she are nominative pronouns and me, him, and her are object pronouns. In English, we say, John and I went to the park, not John and me went to the park, because I is the subject, so it must be in the nominative case. Subsection 2. Possessive pronouns versus possessive adjectives. Another common confusion lies in distinguishing possessive pronouns from possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, its, are, their, describe the noun that follows them. For example, this is my book. Possessive pronouns like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs replace the noun. For instance, this book is mine. Remember, you don't use an apostrophe with possessive pronouns. And there you have it, folks. The basics of nominative versus possessive case in English. Remember, understanding these cases will significantly improve your English writing and speaking. As always, keep practicing, and soon these rules will become second nature. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!